a giant. Old-growth Jeffrey pines like this can top 200 feet and live for centuries. At 7,500 feet elevation in the Sierra Nevadas, conditions are tough. Notice the logger's precise cuts, essential for controlling the fall and maximizing usable timber. This is a skilled profession with a deep respect for these incredible trees. Whoa, check out this gnarly beech. Hanging dead in that spruce, talk about a recipe for disaster. Rot makes it a real wild card, tough to tell how it'll fall. But hey, that's what these lumberjack pros are for, right? Let's see them work their magic. Imagine this, freezing temperatures, icy roads, and you're operating heavy machinery on a steep slope. Sounds bad, right? That's the reality for loggers in Idaho during winter. But these guys, the skidder operators, they're not just tough, they're incredibly skilled. Respect. Oh my gosh, this stump doesn't stand a chance in this matchup. The RT400 is like a beast unleashed from the forest. It's ferocious and powerful, tearing into the stump relentlessly with its impressive force. I'm sure you guys are just as impressed as I am watching this. The R-Top SC50 stump scraper boasts a hydraulically driven cutting wheel with carbide-tipped teeth, ensuring maximum cutting efficiency even on the toughest stumps. Its compact design and articulated steering allow for maneuverability in tight spaces, a crucial feature for land clearing and site preparation. Check this out. This operator's got it going on. See how he pauses, assesses the situation, then uses the boom? Smart move. That's what I call thinking on your feet. And Tiger Cat? Always reliable, always impressive. The Moorbark 40/36 is a beast in the biomass game. That Cat C27 engine pumps out 800+ horsepower, turning that 16-knife Advantage 3 drum like a buzzsaw. You get consistent 3/8-inch chips no matter what you feed it. The extra-wide in-feed gobbles whole trees, and the hydraulic system makes operation a breeze. It's built tough, with AR450 steel on the drum skin for long life and low maintenance. This machine is a workhorse. I need the address of where I can buy this chainsaw, right now. The Mini Lunner and Oxen is a multi-purpose forestry machine, engineered for small-scale logging and forest maintenance. It features a fully hydraulic system for effortless operation and maneuverability. Engine choices include 11 horsepower, 13 horsepower, and 14 horsepower variants. Compact and lightweight, it measures 170 centimeters long, 115 centimeters wide, and weighs approximately 500 kilograms. The Oxen is commonly used for clearing underbrush, loading logs, and transporting timber. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient feller buncher, the John Deere 859M is a great option. Its powerful 9.0-liter engine delivers 330 horsepower, enabling efficient felling and bunching. The extended boom, reach of 8.49 meters, maximizes coverage, while the robust tractive effort ensures stability on challenging terrain. The spacious cab design with floor-to-ceiling windows and ergonomic controls enhances operator comfort and visibility, promoting efficient operation. Those tenacious roots can be a real challenge, often more difficult to remove than the tree itself. Without the right equipment, stump removal can become a back-breaking ordeal. But with the JCB 3CX backhoe loader, its powerful hydraulics and digging depth make quick work of even the most stubborn stumps. It's the ideal solution for land clearing and site preparation. I guess the saying, "cameramen are immortal," is always true. This guy is completely unharmed, or maybe he just needs a change of pants. Well, this is really impressive to us, but if the owner of the skidder sees this, the driver will probably have a new job. The Banded Beast 4680 redefines high-volume wood waste processing. Its 60-inch cutter mill, driven by a Caterpillar C27 engine, churning out 1,050 horsepower, combined with the massive mill opening, ensure efficient material flow and minimize vibration, makes short work of whole trees and massive stumps. Whether you're clearing land or processing wood waste, this machine will get the job done. The man traded his chainsaw and camera for a lesson in safety. A visit to Holzrichter Anton Lowe and his Ardennes draft horses reveals the artistry of logging with these powerful animals. 4 professionals, 2 magnificent horses, a skilled horse handler, and a talented cameraman capture the essence of this traditional practice. The horse's dedication and willingness to work is truly moving. Observe a skilled bucker meticulously cutting through a massive Douglas fir on Vancouver Island, demonstrating both precision and reverence in each cut. Check this out. This is a prime example of why we need specialized equipment in forestry. That hill was way too steep for that truck to handle alone. Teamwork makes the dream work. The excavator and skidder work together to get those trucks over the slope safely and efficiently. Awesome job. Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. It seems like a logging truck lost its brakes and the driver decided to slam into a rock wall rather than wipe out the vehicles that were stopped at the red light. Thankfully, nobody was hurt. If you're looking to upgrade your sawmill, the VTZ OPTIFAST is worth a serious look. The VTZ OPTIFAST utilizes advanced sensors and computer vision to analyze log dimensions and optimize cutting patterns. Its high-speed, automated band saws ensure precise cuts with minimal kerf loss. The system is designed for continuous operation and can handle a wide range of log sizes, making it a versatile solution for high-production sawmills. Thanks for joining us on this epic forestry adventure. If you loved seeing these powerful machines in action, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrilling content. See you next time.